Welcome to JH. I first noticed micro-ingredients because of their bold claims, affordable raw ingredients, no fillers, and third-party testing in California labs. It all sounds very promising on paper, but as we know, paper doesn't always translate to reality. Out in the murkier corners of the internet, the story changes. Trustpilot is a graveyard of complaints about packages that never arrive or show up broken, all while customer service plays a thrilling game of hide-and-seek. One user even called them not a serious company after their order vanished into the void with zero help from the staff. Honestly, if I wanted to be ignored, I'd just talk to my cat. The Better Business Bureau reports are even more alarming, with customers receiving lab results for the wrong batches or, in a fun twist, tests that actually show heavy metals. Because nothing screams health like a daily dose of industrial runoff. Over on Reddit, the skepticism is thick. While a few lucky souls claim to have seen lab reports, most users find the secrecy around the lab names a bit too Area 51 for comfort. Then there's the math, or lack thereof. Some labels claim magnesium dosages that literally defy the laws of science. One user noted they'd happily pay a premium just to avoid supplements that require a degree in conspiracy theories to understand. To round out the experience, we have complaints about expired products and packaging that looks like it was hand-wrapped by a random person named Jane Shun in New Jersey. If your path to peak performance starts in a stranger's basement in Jersey, you might want to reconsider your wellness journey. It seems that in the world of budget supplements, you really do get what you pay for, and sometimes you get a little extra lead for free.